Today guys, this is the hardest easy level in Geometry Dash. Probably not, but you need to pick this RubTop. The RubTop is the creator of this game. This is called easy. When I play it, it looks like major. Like bro, what is wrong with RubTop? Like come on, you need to pick this. But now let's just beat it. Yeah, I just got. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's actually raining. Yeah, it's raining. Oh! Oh! What the heck? What happened? What the heck? Guys, what just happened? I think my game left. Bro, I don't know what I'm even doing. When I'm recording, like my mind is just focusing on okay. Enough talking. Oh! Shit, how did I do that? How did I do that? How did I do that? Yeah, I just got. Before I got 57% and I was. Okay, what's this? You've been trolled! I actually faced level before. I don't know. You've been trolled! Guys, you just have to do the opposite thing. Don't. you. You've been trolled. Oh my. Yeah, this is really hard. So you've been trolled. You've been trolled. Hey, what do you guys would rather? Play Tidal Wave or this troll level? Yeah! You've been trolled. You've been trolled. Yo, this jump, that jump is so hard. You've been... Okay. How about... What the heck? Dude, this is the name of YouTube that... Staircase Rebels. Let's just play this level real quick. Oh. It looks scary, but the creator is not even scary. Hey, shut up, bro. Okay. Yeah, I'm not good at Geometry Dash while I'm recording because this thing just that little thing just disturbs me. That isn't here. I could beat this in one attempt, 100%. 100%. So I'm not in a live stream. I'm in a live stream because my dream is just to go into a live stream because I don't have 50 subscribers to go live stream. Just, oh my, what is this thing though? Yo, wait, after live. Wow, here I get 24% here. It's a normal level. Yeah, before me, a few years ago, I'm not really good at this game. Yeah, I'm so bad at this game. Oh. 1, 2. I already played this level before. I like the slopes and things. Yeah, I can just do nothing because it's so satisfying and it helps keep the level. Although, what is this? So this is basically a second life. I think it's getting late. My dad is gonna call me now. So yeah. Imagine I get to like 98% on this level and my dad is just like calling me. I will be so mad. My dad. I will never forget that moment. Yeah, when I was a kid, oh shut up. When I was a kid, my dad used to call me in the triple spike, like on 63% on Sterema twist, and I just passed the triple spike jump, and my dad is calling me, and I was like, whoa! And that is just spamming comments that make me lose the game. I was so mad that I just muted the phone for I don't know, 1 week, and I just beat the level. I think my dad's gonna call now. Wait, chat. 100% will. 1, 2, 3, go, 5. Okay. No, I could just, oh my, oh. I was trying to beat Can't Let Go, and I just got my new percentage of 78. And I was like, yeah. Now let's just beat it one more. So, how do you think? I think my phone is on 40 frames, and my phone is in 20 frames. Y'all, every time I record this level, you see my phone super loud. See, I am just the worst player. This is stop lagging. What is this from, bro? Let me cut this recording. Okay, no. Video first, but I think I'm gonna beat this level. Oh my! It's just so loud. And that shot. Oh, this is so lovely. See? Yo, can see how many frames this gameplay has. Nah, bro. Oh, see? It's so lucky. I cannot play Stereomotis Island and record it. Also, so right, but I'm not gonna video what without recordings or any completions on my video. Once I get a new computer, I'm gonna record it. Yeah. Because it's just so laggy. I cannot do this with lagging. I'm so sorry. I already know you guys are a bit mad, but come on, it's so laggy. I don't know what is wrong with my phone, but I think it wants me to buy the full version. Yeah, but the full version is way too expensive, and my mom says no spending money, and yeah. Can you give me your credit card backwards? But no, I mean your credit card number backwards and your social security number backwards. Yeah. It's just backwards. No way I'm gonna, yeah, just backwards. Yeah, don't put it, and don't do anything. Wait, what is this? Wait, I could record without lagging. Wait, let me install this real quick. Okay, this is very nice. Let's check the comments. Yeah. Guys, I can record without lagging. Let's go. And without this thingy, this is stupid fucking thingy. Yes, let's go. I could do it. And I could capture anything you guys want. Oh my, this is so. What the? Just free trial. No way, bro. Enable. Enable. Okay. Shit. This is nice. Play over other apps. The why is it so why is it loading? No, at this point is X recorder. Yeah, I allowed this thing. So loaded and well, unlimited access. And guys, I have this floating ball that I could record with. Nice. And I could delete it like this and like that. So for now on I'm just gonna record with X recorder so it doesn't distract me with this little thingy. So if you guys understand this, thank you for watching and bye bye for the next Roblox video. Because I'm gonna play through a little 8, no Dungeon of Heroes, a little 8 and Troll Tower. And I hope you can see this. Bye bye.